The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is expected to be unveiled early next year. These flagship-grade devices will feature cutting-edge technology and arrive with a premium price tag. Now, a new report has hinted at its pricing. The South Korean tech giant will be unveiling the Galaxy S24 lineup during its upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, which is expected to be held on 17th January 2024. This flagship series will consist of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to a Hankian report, the company will go on sale for the same price tag as its predecessor, the Galaxy S23. In other words, the base model may go on sale for $799, while the Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra could sell for $999 and $1,199 respectively. Keep in mind that prices for the various storage configurations will likely be higher. This implies that Samsung aims to keep pricing stable to stay competitive in the flagship smartphone segment. With the smartphone market in a period of recovery, the brand aims to increase its sales by 10% by releasing the Galaxy S24 series for the same price tag. While Samsung may introduce satellite connectivity with the S24, it might not be available everywhere initially. Similar to iPhones, it could be limited to specific countries at first, with expansion plans later. Currently, the satellite connectivity feature for iPhones is only available in 17 countries. Just recently, there have been various rumors and reports that revealed various specs and features regarding the Galaxy S24 lineup. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will reportedly feature 2,600 nits of peak brightness, while the entire lineup may offer a satellite connectivity feature. Similarly, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to arrive with a 200-megapixel primary sensor on the rear that offers 8K video recording. Other sightings include the Galaxy S24 Plus model that surfaced on the Geekbench platform earlier this month. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series seems to be packing some impressive features, from satellite connectivity to a hopping 200-megapixel camera. As technology continues to advance in flagship smartphones, do you think these high-end devices are reaching a point of diminishing returns, or are there still groundbreaking innovations that can significantly enhance the smartphone user experience? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.